Unlock the full potential of your iPhone with these 7 game-changing tips. Tips 1. Access the camera quickly by swiping left on the lock screen or pressing the camera icon on the home screen. Tip number 2. Swipe from the left edge to go back to the previous screen while browsing or within apps. Tip 3. Quickly access Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner for quick settings and toggles. Tip 4. Customize widgets for personalized information at a glance by long pressing on the home screen, tapping the plus in the top left. Tip 5. Easily find specific settings by swiping down on the home screen and entering keywords in the search bar within settings. Tip 6. Personalize your messages by creating a memoji. Open Messages, tap the Compose button and then the memoji icon. Tip 7. Improve battery life by enabling low power mode in settings or checking the battery section for insights and optimization suggestions.